Every day, new traders watch weeks of careful progress vanish in a single afternoon. One bad entry, driven by frustration, triggers a liquidation that wipes the account to zero. Managing this risk requires a mechanical protocol designed to override the impulse to wait for a losing trade to recover. To master this protocol, we will map a specific trade, calculate the exact dollar amount of the risk, and automate the protection at the broker level. Capping the downside before every entry provides the mathematical buffer needed to survive unpredictable market swings. This structure relies on a strict 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio. You are intentionally keeping losses small while allowing winning positions to reach a much larger target. In a grid of 10 trades, this ratio allows for a net profit even if 7 of those trades end in a loss. The volume of the 3 large wins outweighs the combined total of the 7 small failures. This contrasts with a typical scalping model. Here, 8 frequent wins are instantly erased by 2 unmanaged losses that were allowed to run too far. The high win rate of such strategies often leads traders to risk large portions of their capital for marginal gains. Over a long enough timeline, a string of consecutive losses is a statistical certainty. If those losses are larger than the average win, the account eventually reaches zero. Longevity in the market depends on maintaining this structured asymmetry, where every loss is significantly smaller than the potential gain. Institutional risk management begins with the 1% rule. This limits the total capital lost on a single trade to a fraction of the balance. Take your total account size and multiply it by 0.01. This number represents the maximum dollar amount you are permitted to lose on the next trade. For a $1,000 account, the maximum risk is $10. On your chart, use the measurement tool to find the distance between your entry price and your stop loss, the level where your trade setup is no longer valid. Adjust the quantity of shares or contracts so that the price moving across this specific distance results in exactly a $10 loss. Relying on this calculation establishes a fixed threshold that protects the total balance from any single market event. In your broker terminal, enter the exact quantity calculated in the previous step. Select the option to attach a stop loss and input the price level measured on the chart. Set your take profit order at a minimum of twice the distance of your stop loss to maintain the required mathematical edge. Click Submit to turn these calculations into automated rules managed by the broker. These hard orders act as a commitment, preventing the urge to move a stop loss when the market approaches your exit level. Precision is maintained through a repeatable habit performed before every market session. The pre-trade checklist requires a manual confirmation of the 1% risk limit and verification that the reward-to-risk ratio is at least 2-to-1. After the trade, capture a screenshot of the chart and record the results in a journal to track your adherence to the process. The objective of this routine is the execution of a consistent process, rather than the outcome of any individual day. With these steps complete, you have a mathematically sound, protected trade live in the market. The risk is capped and the upside is defined, which removes the need to monitor the screen for every price tick. Apply this checklist to your next trade to begin building a history of disciplined execution. Post the specific risk-to-reward ratio you mapped for today's setup